Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to appreciate you once again for coming back to this channel. Yes, and for those ones also who have got a chance to view this video today, I also want to welcome you. If you have not yet subscribed, please do me a favor and you subscribe to this channel so that at least you'll be able to get more ideas as we share on subsequent videos that I will be uploading. Now, first of all, may God bless you. Now, I just want you to know that today I am trying out something. As usual, I want also to experience. I want also to try out. I want also to be creative. So today, I am making something where my birds, the chicken, will be resting and sleeping at night. And what you're seeing me doing, I am trying my best to create an idea out of scratch. I went and then picked bamboo, yes, for different sizes. I went and picked bamboo, different sizes as you're seeing, and I am trying to cut them into the pieces that I actually want. I'm trying to cut them into the pieces that I want. And I am going to make this item without the nails. I'm going to make it without the nails so that I can be able to create an idea, a piece that is going to help me and my chicken will be able to rest on it. So as you're seeing what I'm doing, I'm trying to create a shape. It is not going to be something complicated. It is something very simple. Okay? So I tried being creative, I tried creating, and I tried after thinking. And I'm like, if I do it this way, it is going to work out. Now, you could be asking yourself, but this gentleman could be wasting his time. No, I thought about it, and I'm like, let me work on it and see the outcome, how it's going to actually be. Okay, and at a later time you'll be able to see the final piece as I'm working on it. Okay, so sometimes you could be this kind of person who does not have enough space. You do not have enough space, and sometimes you could be even having just maybe one room. You have only one room and you are sharing that room with the birds. It's very common in Africa. It's very common in Africa here and in Uganda here. It is really very common. You have one room and that is the same room where you have chicken, maybe one or two or three, and in most cases maybe they are resting behind that door, or maybe under the bed, or probably under the table, depending on the size of the room where you are, you have, let me say like that. So depending on the space, I really felt I should help such a person. Okay, I really felt I should help such a person, because sometimes you might be having problems, and it is not also healthy so much to share a house with birds and animals and so on and so forth. But if the worst comes to the worst, what do you do? Because you need to ensure that they are not actually creating you trouble or disorganizing the house or pooping everywhere. Okay, so I decided to create this to ensure that at least the chicken have a place where they can rest in the house in the night, and at the same time well organized. They don't just jump here and there. So that is why I came out with this idea, and hopefully I believe it's also going to help someone else outside there who could be having smaller space, or probably you really don't know what to do next because your chicken are increasing day and night, and it's a bit complicated. So if you have few chicken and you have a small space, this idea can really help you so much. Okay, this idea can help you so much. So to remind you, just in case maybe you've not yet subscribed, please help me and then you subscribe, so that you can be able to get more videos like this, ideas created from scratch. Yes, so that we can be able to interact. You can also help me and then comment. Yes, a comment on what you have seen, give me ideas as well, and then we create more and more and make our society, our community, our world a better place to live in, while improving our lives, health, and so on and so forth. I think it would be a better thing. So don't just watch and then ignore. Give me a comment, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. You can as well share. I think it will be good of you. It will be very good of you if you do that. So that is it. What you're seeing me doing now, I am trying to put holes. I'm trying to put the holes on the bamboo. I'm putting the holes on bamboo. Remember, I told you earlier, I am not going to use nails. I am not going to use nails. So I am just going to arrange the bamboo in a way that I am going to bypass that stage of using other nails. So what you're seeing, I have already created the size I want, cut the pieces into the sizes I want. Now I am trying to put those holes. I'm trying to put the holes so that I can be able to create something that works. So it is very simple. It is not complicated. Not at all. It is not complicated at all. The tools that I was using, they're just limited to certain kind of angles and so on. But I have to create something. I have to ensure that I put those holes there and those bamboos so that I can be able to create what I want. Just as you can see, I am using simple tools. I am using simple tools to create this idea, and hopefully I know it's going to work out. Okay, I always don't like giving up. I'm very sure it is going to work out. So as you see, I've already put 2 holes, and I'm going to cut the 3rd one, I'm going to cut the 4th one, and I'm going to ensure I bring out the shape that I want. Otherwise, if in case maybe you have not yet subscribed, please, if you're still with me, thank you so much. Thank you for keeping it up to this time. Yeah, help me as well and subscribe. Help me and subscribe. Also give me a thumbs up. And at the same time, comment. Tell me what you feel. Is it a good idea, or do you have another idea? You let me know. Yeah, as I'm working on this, the back is also not doing me well. But I take it as exercise, because some of these movements that I'm making are helping me also to like open up other parts of the body that are tight. Also helping me to, increase the blood circulation and so on and so forth. So it is healthy. I just feel it was too much. Yeah, this is too much. I have to sit. But it helps a lot because it is part of exercise. And as you can see, I'm almost done. I have put holes where I want them to be, and I'm going to create something without using the nails. The kind of tools that I'm using are very simple and they're not complicated. I don't need to go and spend a lot of money and so on and so forth. But as I told you before, it is all about creativity. Okay, so I'm sure that you're getting something here. I guess it's not in vain. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, what you are seeing, I am trying to make where my chicken can have a rest at night. Please subscribe, comment, what do you think? I'm almost done. Oh my god, here I made a mistake. I cut this piece of bamboo badly. Hey. Yeah, I'm now trying to fix up. I'm now fixing up my piece. As simple as it is, not complicated. No nails. Using simple tools. I think I have a stone there. I have a panga. And then the axle for cutting. And that is it. So, as you can see, even on the side I have young chicks growing and so on. Yeah, but there is a different size that I'm planning for this. I think you can see, fixing it up without nails and so on. Yeah, not easy. Okay. So in the case maybe this has impressed you, please give me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Has it been impressive? Has it been not okay? As you can see, my piece is done. Yes, as simple as that, my piece is done. You can even see now the chicken are already resting. It is night time, and it is a very wonderful night. Now, to prevent fishes scattering here and there, the chicken poo-poo, I had to put a cavera down. So when they are pooling from up, it just falls on the cavera. In the morning, I just ferry the cavera out, go and clean it, fix it back again in its position. When they come to rest, it is just as you are seeing. So thank you so much. That has been the idea that I was trying to bring to your attention, and I hope it has been okay. Please help me subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Give me a comment and then a thumbs up, and also share. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye. I remain Robert Alucha.